Building a website for your tutoring service shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple and affordable website on the multi-site platform for your tutoring service. Let's jump in. If you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Multi-sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. Now, as you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, tutoring service. There it is over there. Right, let's start multi-sites. A few basic details about our tutoring service so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click on continue, multi-sites will generate a simple website for your business instantly and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. The great thing about the multi-site platform, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've actually pre-written all the content for you specific to a tutoring service and pre-selected images as well specific to a tutoring service as well. It doesn't matter which market you choose out of the hundreds. It will literally have pre-written content and pre-selected images specific to that market. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your local business. Of course, everything can be customized, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to personalize it and how easy it is to use. Of course, you don't need to know any website coding or hire anyone to help you with this either. You literally can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my business. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Phone number is click to call, and physical location, maybe your mobile business or an online business, you can leave that off. But once you put your address in, your customers can click on it and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms for your business, the links. It will display the icons at the top as the bottom of your website once you've done so. If you've got a business logo, make your way over to the next section to upload it. You can edit your logo by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your new website, just click on that paints icon. There are so many color palette options to choose from. If you'd like to change the images, maybe those call to action buttons where they link to, just click on that handy update section button. Over here, you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from, all completely free for you to use. You can also connect your Instagram accounts. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. If you take online bookings, you can pop in the website URL over there. A lot of our customers like to make use of software like Calendly. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads coming in your multi dashboard. If you've already purchased a custom domain, that was a smart move because having a custom domain for your website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your local competitors. You can connect it by clicking on that button at the bottom. Multi-sites makes use of entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. It literally does it for you. If you'd like to purchase a custom domain, you absolutely can do so on the multi-sites platform as well. How convenient is that? Really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website for your tutoring service in just 5 minutes on the multi-sites platform. I'm really wishing you and your business multi success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. We have loads of valuable information on marketing your small business. All the best.